You are aging faster than you should. Not because of your genes, not because of your lifestyle, but because two critical switches inside your body have been left off for years. And here's the part that should make you stop and think, what if the problem isn't what you're doing, but what you're not activating? For thousands of years, Taoist monks in the mountains of Wudang pressed two exact points on the body every single day. No machines, no supplements, no modern medicine, just pressure, just awareness. And they stayed strong, clear-minded, and physically capable deep into old age. Then, centuries later, science caught up. 3 separate Nobel Prizes, awarded to Yoshinori Ohsumi in 2016, Elizabeth Blackburn in 2009, and Otto Loewy in 1936, confirmed the exact biological mechanisms behind what those monks were doing intuitively. Different centuries, different languages, same truth. Today, you're going to activate those same longevity switches inside your own body. 3 minutes, 2 points, one system that can begin shifting how your body ages from the inside out. But first, be honest with yourself. You already feel it, don't you? That stiffness when you stand up, that fatigue that even strong coffee can't fix, that slower recovery after stress, effort, or even a long day. And maybe something more subtle, but more concerning. Your mind doesn't feel as sharp. Thoughts don't come as quickly. Clarity feels delayed, like everything is moving through a thin layer of fog. These are not random inconveniences, they are signals. Signals that your cells are no longer cleaning themselves efficiently. Signals that inflammation is quietly rising beneath the surface. Signals that your body is spending more energy coping than repairing. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Aging doesn't start when you feel old. It starts when your cells stop renewing. At the microscopic level, 3 things are happening. Your cells are accumulating waste. Your telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA, are shortening under stress. And your vagus nerve, the master regulator of recovery, is underactive when it should be leading. If this continues, the consequences are predictable. Your biological age begins drifting away from your actual age. Your immune system becomes less precise. Hormones fall out of balance, and the internal systems designed to protect longevity begin to shut down. But here's what most people never discover. These systems are not broken. They are inactive, and that means they can be turned back on. For centuries, Taoist practitioners never saw aging as something fixed. They saw it as a system, something that could be influenced, adjusted, even slowed. They spoke of gates of renewal, specific points on the body that, when stimulated, awaken dormant life processes. Today, science uses different language: autophagy, telomere preservation, vagus nerve activation. Different words, same system. And in the next few minutes, you're going to activate 2 of the most powerful entry points into that system. But first, you need to understand why this works. Because once you see the mechanism, you'll never look at your body the same way again. Let's start with the first breakthrough. In 2016, Yoshinori Ohsumi was awarded the Nobel Prize for discovering autophagy, your body's internal recycling system. This process clears out damaged proteins, dysfunctional cell parts, and toxic buildup. In simple terms, autophagy is how your body cleans itself to stay young. When autophagy is active, cells regenerate. When it slows down, aging accelerates. Now here's the hook. You don't need fasting or extreme stress to activate it. Research shows that stimulating a specific point on your leg, known as ST36, can trigger mild metabolic stress signals, enough to activate autophagy pathways safely. This includes AMPK, the same longevity pathway activated during fasting. Ancient Taoists called this point the leg of 3 miles, because they believed stimulating it could restore enough energy to walk miles further, even when exhausted. Science now explains why. Next, telomeres. In 2009, Elizabeth Blackburn discovered that chronic stress shortens telomeres, the protective ends of your chromosomes that determine how fast your cells age. Shorter telomeres equals faster aging. But she also found something critical. Reducing stress slows telomere damage, and this is where your body gives you leverage. Stimulating points like ST36 and SP6 activates the vagus nerve, the system responsible for calming stress, reducing inflammation, and stabilizing hormones. This is not theoretical. When the vagus nerve activates, cortisol drops, inflammation decreases, blood pressure lowers, and the biological impact of stress is reduced in real time. Now the third discovery. Back in 1936, Otto Loewi proved that the vagus nerve communicates using a chemical called acetylcholine. This chemical is one of your body's most powerful anti-inflammatory signals. It literally tells your body, stop the damage, start the repair. And here's where it all connects. Studies show that stimulating ST36 and SP6 increases vagal activity, sometimes within minutes. That means you are not just relaxing, you are flipping a biological switch that directly influences how your body ages. Long before microscopes existed, Taoist practitioners mapped these same points through observation and experience. They said ST36 activated Earth Qi, the deep reservoir of physical energy. They said SP6 opened the 3 yin channels, governing hormones, recovery, and internal balance. They used these points before long journeys, intense training, and deep meditation. To them, these were not pressure points, they were access points, portals into the body's renewal system. Now you understand what they were accessing. Here is the truth that changes everything. ST36 activates regeneration. SP6 reduces systemic stress. One cleans the cells, the other protects the system. Together, they create the internal conditions required for longevity. So now the real question is, how do you activate them correctly? Let's make this simple. You will use 2 points, 1 on each leg, 3 minutes total. First point, ST36, the regeneration switch. Sit comfortably. Place your hand over your kneecap. Slide your fingers down along the outer side of your shin, about 4 finger widths below the knee. You'll feel a slight dip, a sensitive spot. That's it. Press into it with your thumb, inward and slightly upward. Hold for 30 seconds, breathe slowly. If you're on the right spot, you'll feel a dull, deep sensation. Not sharp, but present. Warmth may begin to spread. That's your nervous system responding. Right now, you are activating autophagy pathways, vagus nerve branches, anti-inflammatory signals. You are turning on your internal repair system. Second point, SP6, the reset switch. Move to the inside of your leg. Find the highest point of your ankle bone. Measure 4 finger widths upward. Just behind the bone, you'll find a tender point. That's SP6. Press inward toward the bone. Hold for 30 seconds. Breathe deeper now, into your lower abdomen. You may feel soreness, or a gentle radiating sensation upward. This is where the shift happens. Right now, your body is releasing acetylcholine. Stress signals are decreasing. Hormonal balance begins adjusting. This is vagus nerve activation in real time. Now combine them. Press ST36 on one leg, then SP6 on the other. Alternate every 10 to 15 seconds. Stay with it. Here's what you'll notice. Your breath deepens without effort. Your shoulders begin to drop. Your mind becomes quieter. This is your system synchronizing. This is what Taoists refined for centuries. This is what science now confirms. And here's the real hook. You won't feel dramatic at first, but your body will start changing immediately. Within 24 hours, inflammation begins to decrease. Within 7 days, recovery improves and stiffness reduces. Within 30 days, stress impact lowers and energy stabilizes. Within 90 days, your internal baseline shifts toward regeneration instead of decline. This is not a quick fix. This is a direction change. You now hold something most people never discover. 2 points, 2 switches, 1 system, no cost, no equipment, no dependency, just your body, working the way it was designed to. ST36 cleans the cells. SP6 calms the system. Together, they interrupt the processes that accelerate aging. So now the only question that matters is, will you use it? If you're ready to begin, make it real. Say it, write it, decide. I activate the longevity switches because your lifespan may be influenced by genetics, but your biological age is shaped every single day by what you choose to activate.